this will be the most interesting video you see in the internet today. Now, we are asked to find the area of S. Note, this is not drawn to scale, and this is a rectangle, not a sphere. Now, it means that this box here is a rectangle, this box here is a rectangle. Likewise, this one and this one, they are all rectangle. And we are asked to find the area of this S, whereby this one has this area as 15, this one has it as 6, and this one has it as 14. And we all know that area, the rectangle is made up of length and width, or length and breadth. So, if we have 4 rectangles in this box, let's call this one 1, label this one as 2, label this one as 3, and label this one as 4. That means we have 4 rectangles. So if this is a rectangle, therefore automatically here, let's call here A, and if here is A, it means that this one also will be A, and here will be B. This also means that here will also be B. And if here is C, it also means that here will be C also. And then here, if here is D, it also means that here will be D also. Area of this rectangle has been gotten, which is 15. Likewise, this one, which is 6, here is 14, which is the central rectangle, the area. But we are looking for the area of this rectangle, S. So, remember, the area of a rectangle is that's length times breadth, or we call it length times width. Let's use length times width. That's length multiplies width. That's the area of a rectangle. Now, if today is the first time you are coming across my channel, kindly click the subscription button and the notification bell for more amazing videos. And like if you enjoy what you are doing. Now we continue. If area of a rectangle is length times width, I'm already quoting different. We have 4 rectangles here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say first rectangle 1 is the area is length times width, which is the same thing as C multiplies A. That is A multiplies C. Which that means A multiplies C is the same thing as AC equals to 15. We've got it. This 15 is given. That the area of this rectangle is 15 and is already given. So now let's go for rectangle 2. So if rectangle 2, the rectangle 2 will now be length times width, which will now be area length times width will be equals to C multiplied B, which is the same thing as B C. That's which is equals to 6. Let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So let's go to rectangle 3. Rectangle 3, which is the area is length times width, and length times width here is D. It means DB is equals to, that is D multiplied B will be equals to 14. Therefore, DB is equals to 14. Let's call this equation 3. If you notice, we've got an equation 1, which is the area of rectangle 1, equation 2, the area of rectangle 2, and equation 3, the area of rectangle 3. So, let's get the area of rectangle 4. And the area, which we said length multiplies width, which is the same thing as area equals to D multiplies A, which is equals to S. Therefore, it's the same thing as AD is equals to S. Let's call this equation 4. AC equals to 15. Equation 1. BC is equals to 6. Equation 2. D of DB equals to 14. Equation 3. AD equals to S. Equation 4. So, stay tuned. You enjoy this. Let's look at, we have AC equation 1, BC, DB, and AD. That's 4 equations. The next thing is, let's multiply equation 1 and equation 3. Now, equation 1 is AC multiply DB is equals to 15 multiply 14. And if you look at AC multiply DB is equals to 15 multiply the 14, it's the same thing as A, B, C, D multiply each other is equals to that's 15 multiply 14. So AC multiply DB is the same thing as A, B, C, D. And if you multiply each other, we're supposed to have 15 multiply 14. So let's call this equation 5. Let's BC multiply AD, that's equation 2 multiply equation 4. And when we do that, we have BC multiply AD, which is equals to 6 multiply S. And if you look at this, BC multiply AD is the same thing as BC multiply AD is equal to 6 multiply S. And BC multiplies AD is the same thing as A, B, C, D, which gives us equals to 6 multiply S will give us 6S. Let's call this equation 6. So now, if we look at this equation 5 and equation 6, there is something that is common between the two. What do you notice? We have A, B, C, D, and we also have A, B, C, D, meaning they are the same A, B, C, D. That's equation 5 and equation 6. And what does it mean also? It means that equation 5 is equal to equation 6. So if you go by that, we have equation 5 to be 15 multiply 14, which is equals to equation 6 is 6S. So for us to find the value of our S, we divide both sides by 6. And we divide both sides by 6, we now have 15 multiply 14 divided by 6 equals to 6S divided by 6. We cancel out, we cancel this. If 3 goes into 6, we have 2. If 3 goes into 15, we have 5. When 2 goes into itself, we have 1. When 2 goes into 13, we have 7. So the value of our S, we now 5 multiplies 7. And when 5 multiplies 7, we have the value of our S, and S now equals to 30 times. Here, a meter. Now, if you enjoyed this video, kindly click the like button, the notification bell, and the subscription button for more amazing videos. Thank you.